Mario. ¿Me copias? Aquí te copio. Pedro, te copio, fuerte y claro. Hey!
So I collapse, I'm spilling these raps long as you feel them. To the day that I drop, you'll never say that I'm not killing them. Cause when I am not, then I'ma stop pinning them. And I am not hip-hop, and I'm just not Eminem. Subliminal thoughts when I'ma stop sending them. Women are caught in web, spin them in hawk venom. Adrenaline shots, the penicillin could not get the illin to stop. Amoxicillin's just not real enough. The criminal cop killing hip-hop, filling a minimal swap to cop. Millions of pop listeners. You come and please, you're gonna fear it like I showed you. The spirit of God lives in us. You hear it a lot, lyrics to shock. Is it a miracle or am I just product of pop? Listen up, the sizzle, my whistle, this is the plot. Listen up, you pistols for God, Slizzle does not give a fuck.
Comes off, till the lights go out, till my leg give out, can't shut my mouth, till the
Pero si reportas si fuego nos avisas, cambio.
till my bone, till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my leg give out, can't shut my mouth,
Mario.
till the smoke clears out, and my high, I'ma rip this shit till my bone.
Music is like magic. There's a certain feeling you get when you reel and you spit, and people are feeling your shit. This is your moment, and every single minute you spend trying to hold on to it, cause you may never get it again. So while you're in it, try to get as much shit as you can. And when your run is over, just admit when it's in its end. Cause I'm at the end of my wits with half the shit that gets in. I got a list, here's the order of my list that it's in. It goes Reggie, Jay-Z, Tupac, and Biggie. Andre from Outkast, Jada, Corrupt, Nas, and Thimmy. But in this industry, I'm the cause of a lot of envy. So when I'm not put on this list, the shit does not offend me. That's why you see me walk around like nothing's bothering me. Even though half you people got a fucking problem with me. You hate it, but you know respect you got to give me. The press is wet dream like Bob and your Whitney. Nay, kick me.
Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my leg give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my high, I'ma rip this shit till my bone, till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my leg give out,
Mira allá, mira, allá. Israel, allá.
till my bone.
As soon as a verse starts, I'll eat it at MC's heart. What is he thinking? I'm not to go against me, smart, and it's absurd how people hang on every word. I'll probably never get the props I feel I ever deserve, but I'll never be served. My spot is forever reserved. If I ever leave Earth, that would be the death of me first. Cause in my heart of hearts, I know nothing could ever be worse. That's why I'm clever when I put together every verse. My thoughts are sporadic. I act like I'm an addict. I rap like I'm addicted to smack like I'm Kim Mathers. But I don't wanna go forth and back in constant battles. The fact is I would rather sit back and bomb some rappers. So this is like a full-blown attack. I'm launching at him. The track is on some battle and raps who want some static. Cause I don't really think that the fact that I'm slim matters. A black and platinum status is whack if I'm not the baddest.
Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my leg give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my high, I'ma rip this shit till my bone, till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my leg give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my high, I'ma rip this shit till my bone.
¿Se encontraron? No, pero los podemos mover. Los podemos llevar a nuestras bases. ¡Ey, muéstrame el misil! No, son 3. Sí. Allá atrás. ¿Y qué hacemos con esto? de todas las cosas que ¿qué es lo mejor que nos dan abajo? Porque todo el mundo sabía, ¿verdad? Nosotros aquí estamos. Bueno, capturamos un misil. Son 3 misiles. Aquí tenemos 2 misiles. Venga, mi batata, no se lo haga de campeón ahí. Hágale, hágale. Misa. Venga. Espérate. Pero por allá no es más fácil, ni... Venga, Misael, izquierda, a su izquierda. Sí. Sí, marica, esos no son amigos míos. Venga, Batata, aquí el carro. Míralo, están aquí, si la mata verde, allá al fondo, debajo del cuadrado. Eso, la derecha, eso. Salió. Bien. Buena. ¿Qué dice?
Nosotros estamos aquí volviendo a estos manes. O sea, si ese man de allá que,
¿Cuál?
si pilla uno aquí derecho, si ve, hay como un organizador, ahí va caminando hacia el organizador, ese man que es,
Tiene trapo rojo.
¿sí? Oiga,
Sí, la venezolana. Y ahora sí, marica. Ay, papá. Tiro. Sí. Ellos pusieron una base ahí. Ahí hicieron, miren, se están desplazando para acá. Ellos pusieron ahí. Mire, vienen para acá. Ey, y yo necesito apoyo aquí que se están viniendo, se están abriendo hacia la izquierda, a cambio. Pero esos son amarillos. Esos que están ahí son amarillos.
I'm out here grinding. Yeah, I see the mic, but you looking like a pilot. What's the point of the plane if you don't know how to fly it? Yeah. I'm out here grinding. Okay. I'm out here grinding.
¡Ey! ¡Acá!
I'm out here grinding. I'm out here grinding. All I do is right. Rise of the underdog. I don't like none of y'all. I'm not like one of y'all, I'm from the jungle, I run with the son of God. Yeah, what is you running for? They should be running from me. Most of my family, we don't even speak. I'm getting married in 22 weeks and they still haven't said how I wanted to meet? Huh?
¿Qué los
I'm
eliminamos?
not the type to complain. If we don't get it, we try it again and I'll die for the gang. This with my blood, they don't like us and we question their mom like, why did you allow your kid to like that music? Promise I'll do it. I'm trying to give you my everything. I don't care what they are doing. I'm trying to
Ellos
do
son
what they
enemigos porque yo el de sombrero blanco
Laugh
ya
at
le
the
disparado dos
rappers you
veces.
look up to. Don't waste time with the centerfolds. I'm alive, it's a miracle. Freestylist is middle school. I will battle the principal. Where I'll black like a funeral. I'm doing me, I don't live for you. Grinding. I'm out here grinding. Okay.
Bueno, son enemigos.
I'm out here grinding.
Son verdes, son enemigos.
I'm out here grinding. I'm out here grinding. All I do is right. All I do is right. I'm out here grinding. Okay. I'm out here grinding.
Y uno se va al baño.
I'm out here grinding.
negativo, negativo.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. I'm out here grinding.
¿Está detrás de qué, Cami?